Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun.
Welcome friends to the 2019 Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me video part 2. My name is Kristen and this is Life Made Simple. If you missed part 1, I will leave that up in the iCards and down in the description. Today we are going to be decorating the rest of my living room above my kitchen cabinets and both of my little girls' bedrooms, except for we will not be doing the Christmas tree yet because we do actually cut down a real Christmas tree and we usually do that the day after Thanksgiving.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby.
I hope you enjoy all the Farmhouse Christmas decor that I have. I'm going with a real minimalistic type of approach to Christmas this year. I still want that cozy feeling, but at the same time, I don't want to buy a ton of new things, and I'm kind of trying to repurpose what I already have. We are a military family, and we are only going to be stationed here in Texas for 3 years. We're about halfway through, so this house is significantly larger than our last house, and I feel like we don't have that many decorations because our house was so small before, and it's kind of hard not to go out and splurge and buy all new decor, but I'm really trying to only buy a couple pieces here and there because I don't want to buy a ton of things and then in the next year or two we move and our house is smaller and then I don't have room for it all. So I'm just trying to kind of use what I have, and I just want everybody to know, like, you shouldn't have that feeling, or you shouldn't feel like you have to go out and buy all new decor just because everybody else is. I know it's nice and it would be lovely to do that, but sometimes it's just not realistic.
This day with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh,
And also, I want to take this time to say thank you so much for everybody watching my first Clean and Decorate with me. I was just blown away by the views and the comments that I got on that video. I had no clue that video was going to, perform like it did, and I have a ton of new faces here, and I just want to say hi. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that red subscribe button. I do tons of cleaning motivation. I do a lot of home renovations and DIYs, and I just share a lot of realistic or real life here because, to be honest, I'm realistic and I'm real, and so is everybody else, and sometimes it's nice to see those things instead of like the perfect, clean, put together homes all the time.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
If you haven't already, pop on over to Instagram and follow me there. I share lots of pictures and I'm on stories all the time. Any of my home projects or DIYs, I share in the moment live as they're happening, and I'm just on there quite a bit. There's more of my life that I share on there, and I would love to have you guys over there to experience it with me.
Neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen, snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done, sleigh bells ringing.
So I had a bigger vision for this area in my home for Christmas. I initially really wanted to hang our TV on the wall, but my husband just had shoulder surgery and we were not able to actually get the TV up on the wall before his surgery, and right now it's just kind of not gonna happen. He did say he would, help me hang it up, like I would have to be the muscles and screw it into the wall and all that. Like, the TV itself is pretty light, but I don't know. I'm really torn on if I want to put giant holes in the wall to hang the TV when we're going to be selling in a little bit. Well, when I say a little bit, I mean like in a year and a half. So, I don't know, comment down below. Do you think I should hang the TV up on the wall? Because I originally wanted to put all of my Christmas houses on this sideboard table, but I just didn't get it up in time. So I put one of the houses out, and I know the houses probably aren't everybody's favorite, but to me, it reminds me of my childhood, and my mom used to put them up all the time, and I just love that.
Favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag.
I was having the hardest time with this tiered tray. I feel like I didn't buy enough color for it. I really tried to, once again, use what I had. I bought a few items to add to it because this is my first year doing a tiered tray. So fall was the first time that I did it, and then now Christmas. So I did buy a few things, but when I realized I put it all together, they were all like greens and neutral colors. So I might add to this over time, but we will see. I do like it. It turned out better than I thought it would, but it's not quite where I want it.
While building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old.
So growing up, one of my most favorite memories was that I had a small tree in my room every single year. I got to decorate it how I wanted to. I got to just, go to town on it. So I want that for both of my girls, and I know my oldest, she's 3 years old, she absolutely is in love with decorating her tree. She's done it, I think, 3 years now. Well, yeah, 3 years because she's 3 years old. Maybe 2 years. But so this is Chloe's first year. I actually just got this tree at Hobby Lobby, and I highly suggest it. It is the 3-foot tree. It was $13, and it's not pre-lit, but this one was way better quality than the $20 pre-lit one that I got my 3-year-old a couple years ago. It's just, I don't know, it seems fuller, and there's 2 different actual like branches, like 2 different kinds in there. So I just love this one a lot better. It's better quality, it was cheaper, and to be honest, a string of lights doesn't cost that much. But watch and you will see what happened to my string of lights.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow.
So these lights were $4.99. Got them on sale for $4.50 at Target. I opened them and there's already like a shattered bulb in there. So I'm like, are you serious? So I tried to replace it, and all of a sudden the lights, half of the lights, just started blinking. These are not blinking lights. These are just regular colored lights. So I was so confused.
And the candlelights would glow.
Why are half my lights blinking? I don't know if I feel safe with these being in here. Why is it doing that? I mean, these are Christmas lights. Are they supposed to be that difficult?
Got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home.
I finally got them to stop blinking. I took all the red bulbs out that I was putting like new red bulbs in place of the broken one, and I put a green one in, and all of a sudden it worked. It made no sense to me, and it made me kind of feel uneasy that they were doing that. I don't know why, I just like have this fear of them like catching on fire or something. So I'm definitely not going to be leaving this on when we're not home or during the night, but I don't know, it was so weird, and I felt kind of dumb because I'm like, okay, these are Christmas lights. Like, I've done this every year of my life. Like, why are they so difficult? Like, why am I having to read the instructions on a box of $4 Christmas lights?
It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
So our tree is not perfect, but I love how it turned out, and I did not do this on purpose, but it ended up being like a horse theme, and that's because these are my ornaments from when I was little. And if you're new here, or probably nobody knows this, I don't really talk about it, but I used to ride horses competitively. I jumped them. I have worked in veterinarian like business with them. I've been a big horse person, and I miss it dearly, but I kind of made her tree into a horse tree, I guess.
It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang.
So I decided to put Emma's tree on the floor just because she's a little bit older and I know she's going to touch it anyways, and I didn't want her to pull it off her dresser. So I put hers down next to her bed, and it's so funny because I started decorating it and she came in and she was like, "Can I decorate it by myself?" And I was like, "Sure, yeah, go to town. Like, this does not have to be pretty. This is all about the experience and just enjoying Christmas and spending time with family." So yeah, her tree is not picture perfect, but she had a darn great time decorating that tree. She was trying to give us a thumbs up, but we had to teach her which one was our thumb.
We'll have this year very Merry Christmas without all tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Oh, very Merry Christmas we'll have this year.
And hopefully in the upcoming new year, I will be painting these cabinets gray, hopefully. And I might change the color, you never know. I changed my mind quite a bit, but I so badly want to paint these cabinets. It's just I have kind of made myself a promise that I will not start a new project until I finish quite a few other ones. If you are new here, you wouldn't know that I literally am a part of the 90% club. I start so many projects and never finish them. Right now, it is just a concrete slab in my closet because I have the flooring and I have yet to lay it down.
Christmas trees, decorations, wanna greet old Santa Claus when he arrives. Let the reindeer see the light.
And I kind of wanted to show you guys this hack. I save boxes throughout the year and I use them for my seasonal decor to elevate them above the garland so you can see them better. So I had some of these Amazon boxes saved, and now you can see this little glass jar thing a lot better than when it was just sitting on the top of the cabinet.
Very Merry Christmas without old tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Oh, very Merry Christmas. Oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas. I keep so near. Merry Christmas.
So a really good family member made this sleigh for me, and my intention is to paint it. I just haven't yet, and I really need to. I would think I want to paint it white or maybe black. I'm not sure, but I might get to doing that before I put it away this year or maybe next year.
This year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss it.
Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below and let me know if you made it all the way through this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. And thank you so much for joining my YouTube family. Bye.
Ooh, yeah, that's what we